yet. I hope it does. I hope it hurts like hell.
John Coffey, you have been condemned to die in the electric chair by a jury of your peers, sentence imposed by a judge in good standing in this state. Do you have anything to say before sentence is carried out?
I'm sorry for what I have. Please, boss. Don't put that thing on my face. Don't put me in the dark. I was afraid of the dark.
Просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не ты...